Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Now, with just under 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close on Wednesday, March 18th, the Nasdaq 100 is trading higher, outperforming the major averages in another volatile session of trade. And while the index is in the green, trading has been very choppy as markets respond to continued headlines around the impact of the coronavirus. Central banks around the world continue to provide aid, flooding markets with low rates, liquidity, and purchases of assets to stabilize markets. President Trump also said on Wednesday that the Department of Housing and Urban Development will suspend all foreclosures and evictions through the end of April. Let's take a look at how some of the Nasdaq 100 companies are taking measures in response to the coronavirus. An email from Human Resources to Tesla employees says the company will be taking extra precautions at its Fremont plant to prevent the spread of COVID-19, including taking employees' temperatures at the door. Amazon-owned Whole Foods is among the grocers testing a new approach to try to protect people with a higher risk of getting sick by giving them an hour and a half to shop before other customers arrive as confirmed cases of COVID-19 rise across the United States. We'll continue to update you here on Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.